Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now let's do our assignment, Entrepreneurship Week 12, Assignment 12. So the first question is Chennai Business School was stabilized by senior working executives and become successful despite competition. It demonstrated. So these are the option. And now let's check the answer of our first question. So question first, Chennai Business School educative employ entrepreneurship. So the answer of our first question is C, employ entrepreneurship. Now the second question is strategically marketing is all about. So these are the option. And now let's check the answer of our second question. So question second, new consumer requirement, new company capabilities. So the answer of our second question is C, matching new company capabilities and new consumer needs. Now the third question is digital commerce has led to. So these are the option, enhanced choice to consumers, ability to pay based on reviews, instant digital payment, all of the above. Now let's check the answer of our third question. Question third, digital impact on base L, lower level of intermediation, instant visibility of total digital universe, greater transparency and choice, reliance on word of mouth and digital reviews. So the answer of our third question is D, all of the above. Now the fourth question is the methodology and technology for governing the relationship between the company and the customer is called. So these are the option. And now let's check the answer of our fourth question. So question fourth, customer relationship management. Customer relationship management CRM comprises the methodology and technology for governing the relationship between the company and the customer. So the answer of our fourth question is C, customer relationship management. Now the fifth question is the following have emerged to be as important as the product itself. So these are the option, packaging, protection, transportation integrity, retail experience, all of the above. So the answer of our fifth question is D, all of the above. Now the sixth question is, for a business school to be successful as a new startup, which of the following should it be doing? So these are the option. And now let's check the answer of our sixth question. So question sixth, creative niche of 1 year program, industry specific orientation, first to market in an undeserved area. So the answer of our sixth question is D, all of the above. Now the seventh question is, every startup will have its core competence, but all successful startups have a unique additional competency. So these are the option. And the answer of our seventh question is C, ability to conceptualize and execute an integrated business strategy and business model. Now, the eighth question is, the case studies discussed in this course on entrepreneurship underline many points of the following four. Select the most relevant factor for sustainable success of a startup. So these are the option. And now let's check the answer of our eighth question. So question eight, Integrated Clean Room Technologies Private Limited had a well celebrated and structured business plan that emphasized technological efficiency and financial sufficiency. So the answer of our eighth question is B. Now the ninth question is, one of the important principle for enabling scale with scope for startups. The case of iClean is. So these are the option, industry, modularity, specialization, focus. So let's check the answer of our ninth question. So question nine, flexible and modular, designed to cater to the diversity in pharmaceutical scale and scope. So the answer of our ninth question is B, modularity. Now the 10th question is, as illustrated by the 12 case studies discussed in this course, most startups tends to be stabilized with. So these are the option, bank credit, private equity, personal and family savings, venture capital. So the answer of our 10th question is C, personal and family saving. Now submit your answer. Thank you friends for watching our video.